Innovation design. Exclusive innovative design. This beanbag toss game can be assembled very quickly by flicking and sticking and stored very easy by tearing and stacking with a small footprint and meeting every needs in the portable travel. Lightweight portable. With a weight of 1 kilogram and a length of 10". After folding, this cornhole boards are more lightweight and portable than other cornhole game in the market. A handy and funny beanbag toss game in indoor, outdoor and traveling activities. Strong durable. Made by the high elastic flat wire, which can be folded for more than 1,000 times. This cornhole game is safe and reliable, and the support strength is good. Using 300D polyester fabric design makes it durable and tear resistant. Most cost-effective. 2 2x1 cornhole boards, 10 cornhole bags and carrying case. All cornhole game pieces included. 2 games in 1, funny outdoor games. When kids feel like mixing it up, just flip it over and play tic-tac-toe, it's that easy. Requested age grading, over 2 years old. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly portable and good quality. I bought these to take on vacation with me to Punta Cana. They are perfect. They fit in my suitcase and left plenty of room for my clothes. They are made out of good quality materials and fold up relatively easy to fit back in the bag. The only downside is that the beanbags may bounce off or slide off if you toss them too hard. It definitely makes the game a little more interesting.